Hello students, today we are going to discuss about equation of the line in space related questions. Now we are going to see question number 6. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. It is given that the line passes through the point this and parallel to this line. The direction ratio of the line is here. The direction ratios are 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. The record line is parallel to the direction ratios are 3k, 5k and 6k, where k not equal to 0. It is known that the equation of the line through the point x1, y1, z1 and with the direction x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. You know. Therefore, the equation of the record line x minus x1, where x1 is 2, given point minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5, right? X minus x1, x minus of minus 2 plus 2 by the direction ratio 3k, so divided by 3k, and y minus 4 by 5k and z minus of minus plus 5 by 6k. Now multiply by k is equal to x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 5 by 6 is equal to k. All are equal ratio, which is the record equation of the line. Next, question number 7. The Cartesian equation of the line x minus 5 by 3 is equal to z, y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. Right? It's vector form. But vector form on the find one. Okay. The Cartesian equation of the line x minus 5 by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. The given line passes through the point 5 comma minus 4 comma 6. 5 comma minus 4 comma 6. The position vector of the line a vector equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. Also, the direction ratio of the given line 3, 7, 2. This means that the line is in the direction of vector form b vector is equal to 3 I cap 7 j cap plus 2 k cap. It is known that the line through the position vector a vector and the direction of the vector b vector is given by the equation r vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda belongs to R. So R vector is equal to, what is A vector? What is A vector? 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. Now put A vector and B vector this equations. Then we have R vector equal to 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap plus lambda of 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is the record equation of the given line in vector form. Next, question number 8. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line that pass through the origin and 5 comma minus 2 comma 3. The record line pass through the origin. The position vector is given by A vector is equal to 0. A vector equal to 0. The direction ratios of the line through the origin and 5 comma minus 2 comma 3 are 5 minus 0 equal to 5 and minus 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 minus 2 and 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. The line is parallel to the vector given by equation B vector is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. The equation of the line in the vector form through a point with the position vector A vector and parallel to B vector is the formula R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda belongs to R. The A vector is equal to 0 vector. A vector is equal to 0 vector because it passes through the origin. So R vector equal to 0 vector plus lambda B vector, where B vector 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So R vector is equal to lambda of 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. The equation of the line through the point x1 comma y1 and the direction ratios A, B, C is given by x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. Therefore, the equation of the record line in the Cartesian form is x minus x1, where x1 0 by the direction ratios A equal to 5 and y minus 0 by minus 2 and z minus 0 by 3. Then we have finally the Cartesian form x by 5 is equal to y by minus 2 is equal to z by 3. Next, question number 9. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line that passes through the points 3 comma minus 2 comma minus 5 and 3 comma minus 2 comma 6. So passing through the points, let us consider P and Q. The PQ pass through the position vector is given by A vector is equal to 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 5 k cap. The direction ratio of PQ is equal to 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus of minus 2 6 minus of minus 5. Then the equation of the vector in the direction of PQ is B vector is equal to 0 I cap minus 0 j cap plus 11 k cap. So B vector equal to 11 k cap. B vector equal to 11 k cap. So we know A vector and B vector. Then the equation of PQ in vector form is given by R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector, where lambda belongs to R, So R vector is equal to A vector 3 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 5 k cap plus lambda B vector. So 11 k vector. So lambda into 11 k vector, 11 lambda k vector. The equation of PQ in Cartesian form is x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. We have x1, y1, z1, 3, 2, minus 2 and minus 5. The direction ratios 0, 0 and 11. So x minus 3 by 0 is equal to y minus or minus plus 2 by 0 is equal to z plus 5 by 11. Next, question number 14. Find the shortest distance between the lines. R vector is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap plus lambda of I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and R vector is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu of 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. The equations of the given lines are R vector is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap plus lambda of I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Similar, another one line. It is known that the shortest distance between the lines, the formula R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B1 vector. R vector is equal to A2 vector plus mu of B2 vector is given by D equal to B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector, or A1 vector minus A2 vector. Comparing the given equation, we obtain A1 vector is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Compare these two equations. This is first equation, this is second equation. Compare these two equations. A1 vector equal to, this is A1, this is A2, this is B1, this is B2. A1, A2, B1, B2. Then we have A1 vector, A2 vector, B1 vector, B2 vector. A1, B1, A2, B2. The formula A2 vector minus A1 vector dot of B1 vector cross B2 vector. So we need A2 vector minus A1 vector. So A2 vector minus A1 vector. 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap minus of I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Then we have 2i minus I and minus j minus 2j minus 3j minus k minus 2k. So A2 vector minus A1 vector is I cap minus 2j cap minus 2k cap. This is A2 vector minus A1 vector. Next, to find a B1 vector cross B2 vector. B1 vector, the coefficient of I, j, k is 1, minus 1, 1. And B2 vector 2, 1, 2. Now, simplify I cap of minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus j cap of minus 2, minus 2. 2 of minus of 2 minus 2 j cap plus 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 of k cap is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 3 k cap. That is equal to B1 vector cross B2 vector, their magnitude. So the magnitude of B1 vector cross B2 vector is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 3 k cap. The magnitude means 3 squared plus 3 squared, then square root. So 9 plus 9, 18. The square root of 18, 3 root 2. The square root of 18 we write the square root of 9 into 2, right? Taking square root of 9 is 3. So 3 square root of 2. So 3 root 2, the magnitude. Substituting all the values in equation 1, obtain D equal to B1 vector cross B2 vector. B1 vector cross B2 vector is 3 I cap plus 3 k cap dot A2 vector minus A1 vector I cap minus 3 j cap plus minus 2 k cap by their magnitude modulus of B1 vector cross B2 vector 3 square root of 2. Now taking dot product in the numerator minus 3 into 1 minus 3 and j cap not here, the first vector form. So 0. 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 by 3 square root of 2. 3 and 9 staggered. After we have minus 3 by square root of 2. Their modulus plus 3 by square root of 2. Now multiply and divided by square root of 2. Then 3 square root of 2 by square root of 2 into square root of 2, 2. So 3 root 2 by 2. Therefore the shortest distance between the two lines is 3 square root of 2 by 2 units. Next, question number 15. Find the shortest distance between the lines x plus 1 by 7 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 6 is equal to z plus 1 by 1 and x minus 3 by 1 is equal to y minus 5 by minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 by 1. The given lines are this. It is known that the shortest distance between the two lines formula x minus x1 by a1 equal to y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1 and another one line x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. The formula d is equal to the determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 by square root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Actually the denominator modulus of b1 vector cross b2 vector, b1 vector cross b2 vector. This expansion is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 the whole square plus c1 minus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 the whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 the whole square. Comparing the given equation, we obtained x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Now put all these values this formula, then we have x2 minus x1 3 minus of minus 1 plus 4 and y2 minus y1 5 minus of minus plus 1, so 5 plus 1 6 and z2 minus z1 7 minus of minus plus 1 7 plus 1 8 and a1 b1 c1 a1 b1 c1 the second line and a2 b2 c2 1 minus 2 1. Now simplify, we get minus 116 and the square root of the denominator modulus of b1 vector cross b2 vector is minus 6 plus 2 in the whole square and plus 1 plus 7 in the whole square minus 14 plus 6 in the whole square. Minus 6 plus 2 4 squared 16 and so 1 plus 7 8 minus 7 1 minus 7 1 minus 7 6 squared 36 and minus 14 plus 6 8 squared 64. This is minus 7 1 minus 7 change this place 1 minus 7 in the whole squared. So minus 6 squared 36. Minus 14 plus 6 8. 8 squared 64. Now simplify, we get 116. 116 we write 4 into 29, that square root of 4 is 2, okay, and square root of 29. So 2 square root of 29. Substituting all the values in equation number 1, we obtain D equal to the formula minus 116 by 2 square root of 9. 2 and 116 staggered after, we get minus 58 by square root of 29. We write minus 58 minus 2 into 29. The 29 we write minus 2 square root of 29 into square root of 29 divided by square root of 29. 1 square root of 29 cancel. Then we have minus 2 square root of 29. Since the distance is always non-negative, the distance is always non-negative, the distance between the given line is 2 square root of 29. So we neglect the negative. The question number 16. Find the shortest distance the line whose vector equations are r vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda of I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and r vector is equal to 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap plus mu of 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. The given lines are one of the lines, this another one line. It is known that the shortest distance between the lines r vector is equal to a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector, and r vector is equal to a2 vector plus lambda b2 vector is given by d equal to modulus of b1 vector cross b2 vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector. Here a2 vector minus a1 vector by modulus of b1 vector cross b2 vector. Comparing these two equations, this and this, then we have a1 vector, a2 vector, and b1 vector, b2 vector. This is a1 b1, a2 b2. Then we have a1 b1, a2 b2. We need a2 vector minus a1 vector. So 4 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 3, and 5 minus 2 3, and 6 minus 3 3. So 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. Then b1 vector cross b2 vector, I cap, j cap and k cap. This is b1, this is b2. Now expand in r1, minus 3 minus 6 of I cap 1 minus 4 j cap plus 3 plus 6 k cap minus 9 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 9 k cap. Their modulus 9 square plus 3 square plus 9 square is equal to 81 plus 9 plus 81 is equal to square root of 171. The 171 we write 9 into 19. 9 into 19. 9 into 19, the square root of 9 is 3. Then square root of 19 is remaining. So 3 square root of 19. We need the B1 vector cross B2 vector dot of A2 vector minus A1 vector. This is B1 vector cross B2 vector dot A2 vector minus A1 vector. So 9 3s are 9 into 3 and 3 into 3 again 9 into 3. So the minus 9 into 3 plus 9 into 3 cancel, then remaining 3 into 3. 3 into 3 9. Substituting all the values in equation 1, we obtain D equal to modulus of 9 by 3 square root of 19. 3 9 staggered after we get 3 by square root of 19. Therefore, the shortest distance between the two given line is 3 by square root of 19 units. Question number 17. Same problems, homework. Same model problem. The previous problem 16 model. So you put the homework tomorrow. Thank you, students.